It's night number 1 of the Hangtown 100, and it's time to cowboy up here at Placerville. At green flag waves, and everybody gets away miraculously and very cleanly through turns 1 and 2. And Gary, it's that outside part of the track. It stayed so wide, it stayed so fast, and Ryan Timms uses it to his advantage. He leads lap 1.
Well, Tony, you put 26 cars out here on this tight bull ring. Things are going to get pretty dicey if we can get some lap traffic. Lap 2 led by the 15-year-old sensation, Ryan Timms.
But boy, look at Zeb Wise, the winner of the first ever Driven to Save Lives BC 39 from Angola, Indiana. He's up to second, doing a great job on the start here. Bryant Wiedemann now finds himself racing with the 17W of Shane Golobic. But look at Ryan Timms, the advantage already, let's say 7 car lengths, if not more.
Ryan Timms up front on that cushion, no worries inside. However, lap traffic will be approaching. But as you said, he's up front right now by 2.5 seconds over Zeb Wise.
Cannon McIntosh letting it all hang out on the high side on both ends of this racetrack. He's gotten around the 17W at Golobic. Now he goes after the next NOS Energy Drink car. That's Ione, California's Justin Grant. McIntosh finally jumps on the binders, is going to bring the car down just a little bit for Dave Mack Motorsports. They settle themselves out. Check that. McIntosh right back to the high side out of 2 as he fights Grant for third. He'll bury it down to the inside. McIntosh now onto the podium.
Well, we talked about it, Tony. You don't know where to look on this track. You have side-by-side battles all through the field, and this stuff right here is as good as it gets. Zeb Wise, Cannon McIntosh, Justin Grant, Shane Golobic, Emerson Axum, they're all right there.
Coming into tonight, that Dave Mack Motorsports number 08 had been the quickest car the last 3 nights, and he continues to show his speed. He goes up and gets Zeb Wise for second. McIntosh is on the move.
Well, we keep talking every night about the speed that car has. Can he get himself an A-main win? He's 3 seconds behind Ryan Timms, who is now working traffic.
So Timms quickly in the back part of this pack. He's lapping now up nearly to the top 20. That 85T rides the cushion on the high side, sets it in hard over in turns 3 and 4, but that car looks comfortable right now. It's Cannon McIntosh down the back straightaway. They'll see 3 laps remaining here at the line out of 4.
Well, it's such a tricky cushion up there. You got to hit your marks as Timms and McIntosh both blow in there down the back straightaway here with 2.5 laps to go.
Cannon McIntosh, he's raced for Keith Kunz, Curb Agajanian, but he has found such a comfortable home with Dave Mack Motorsports, his dad's team. 85T of Ryan Timms is not getting off the top at all. They come out of 3 through 4. White flag's going to wave next time by.
Lap car right there, Tony. Here comes Cannon McIntosh. Down the back straightaway, bring us home.
Final time, Ryan Timms has to check up to try and avoid Chase Randall. It's going to be close, but not close enough. Timms wins at Placerville.